Hi, my name is Rich Parkhurst, and I'm with Kuka Robotics Corporation. We're based out of Shelby Township, Michigan, headquarters in Augsburg, Germany, and we make robotic systems in many different forms and factors. So could be Scara robotics, like I have behind me here, could be 6-axis robots, or then also we have our automated mobile robots as well. So that's kind of a unique aspect of us, is having the complete portfolio of robots that you would use in an application. So some companies just do the AMRs, just do the robots themselves, where we do the complete solution. Have all those things. We can even combine them, right? We can even take an AMR and put a robotic arm on top of that. A couple of unique things that we have going on. Number one, we're in the process of releasing a new operating system and engineering software, and that's unique to the market because what we're doing is we're combining the functionality of the configuration software for the robot included with the simulation aspects, so creating that digital twin of the application. Another kind of unique, interesting niche place that we play is in the freezer space. So being able to put a robot inside of a freezer without external heating and things like that, that's a unique space for us as well. And just overall quality, right? We're a German engineering company, and so people look to Kuka for accuracy and overall quality of the solution and speed of the solution as well.